This is a solution for problem number 4 from the December 2010 Junior Competition on Logs and Exponents. To determine the domain of this equation. So we're going to start from the outside moving in. You always take the log of positive numbers, which means this argument right here has to be positive. So I'm going to start with, I know that log base 3 of log base 4 of log base 5 of x has to be greater than 0. Now, if this is greater than 0, then that means that your argument here has to be greater than 1. So I get log base 4 log base 5 of x has to be greater than 1. Let's see why that has to be true. Let's assume that that part is not greater than 1. So if I take log base 4 of 1/2, let's say, that means 4 to the power of x is equal to 1/2. So that exponent has to be something negative, some negative number. That's why this argument has to be greater than 1. When that number is greater than 1, that guarantees a positive log, a positive exponent. Okay, so if this part in red is greater than 1, this tells me that log base 5 of x has to be greater than 4. Okay, let's see why. Let's suppose that we take log base 4 of 3. This means I have 4 to the x equals 3. So again, my exponent is a fraction of some type. It's not going to be greater than 1. But let's say that x is 5. So log base 4 of 5, this gives me 4 to the x equals 5. That means that x, my power, is greater than 1. That's why we have this. Okay, this means then that 5 to the 4th power is going to be less than x. So x is going to be greater than 5 to the 4th, which is 625. So that is my domain.